Hello everyone, welcome to our new course called MATLAB for the Absolute Beginner. Your instructor for this course will be someone I recruited. She is an expert in MATLAB and R programming. Her name is Ankita Pillai. So what are we going to be learning in this course? In Chapter 1 we're going to take a first look where we go over the basic interface and desktop environment of MATLAB. So at the end of that you'll be able to use and identify all the components that you're going to need in this course. In Chapter 2, we're going to introduce you to matrices. We're going to start off by demonstrating how to create matrices and find its dimensions, and then we're going to end by giving several examples on how to use a matrix to solve numerical problems. In Chapter 3, we're going to be working with arrays. Chapter 3 is divided into 4 parts. We're first going to introduce you to the concept of an array, and by the end of that section, you're going to be able to use an array to calculate statistical computations. In Chapter 4, we're going to make an animation in MATLAB. We're going to make a rotating fan. This is a 7-part series. At the end, you'll have a fully working animation. In Chapter 5 is a pretty short chapter. We're going to be going over 3-dimensional plots. The 2 types, we're going to go over line plots and surface plots. In Chapter 6, we're going to be working with data and transferring that data into a graphical representation, such as pie charts. In Chapter 7, we're going to be moving on to tables. This is a 2-part chapter. The first chapter demonstrates how to create tables using structures, and the second chapter shows you how to create table from a file. In Chapter 8, we're going to be introducing you to Simulink. This is a 7-part series. The introduction to this series is going to show you how to make a simple model on Simulink, and by the end of the series, you're going to be able to solve differential equations using Simulink models. In Chapter 9, we're going to be introducing you to Graphical User Interfaces, or GUIs. This is a 5-part series. And then in Chapter 10, this is a miscellaneous / bonus section. So all these things don't necessarily pertain to the main course, but they're things that we thought we would include just in case you wanted a little bit more advanced look at MATLAB. So I hope you enjoy the course. Go ahead and click that enroll button if you're interested. Remember, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied with the course.